On the left side there.
Where's the cover for?
What can you see? One behind this dark brown, is he still there? On the left corner there, he's hit. Just be careful of our right. Oh yeah.
Go for right.
Yep, go. I don't see him.
I'm doing this corner. Do you want me to lay down suppressor fire and you move up to the next lot?
Okay. Dead ahead, straight through this angle.
Go.
Coming ahead. Didn't want to run into you. Thought there was a noise kick win, but no. No, I won't be that bad. Fuck, now where's that coming from? Probably the tower. Tower. I know.
I see an armband through off the back. I'll be careful. I haven't cleared this front bush.
No.
I don't know what forces are moving from the left.
I can see from this side.
Good bang. Just keep shouting out your contacts so we know if we're going to overrun on that left.
Alright. I'll keep it back there further.
See what? All we could have done was getting one guy in there, calling forward and getting that corner locked down. That corner would go down.
I need window wipers in this spot, there's a door. Ooh. Down.
Let's just right hand side, that left hand side, just as we're coming out, they could be up there.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, hit.
That was a shot now.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh. Mate, over there, there's cars are definitely there. 100%. That's what really hurt.
Back in that bush again.
let's go. You want to take your command element back to stand and organise your through.